This is Codecademy. I'm currently working on Introduction to JavaScript. I am on Functions lesson and part 10, Concise Body Arrow Functions. All right, let's check out what we need to do. Let's refactor plant needs water to be concise body. Notice that we've already converted the if else statement to a ternary operator to make the code fit on one line. Yep, they did. So remember what this is going to do now, return function, it's still an if statement. This makes it the if statement, right? So the computer says, all right, I'm going to check this day parameter. So whatever we put into our function with the word with as an argument, day is going to be checked against the string Wednesday. That's why it's 3 equals. If it is true, we're going to return true apparently. And if it's false, false. So we could have put something else, right? We could add it return hello. This side's true, that side's going to be false though. All right. Now to shorten it up further, as the instructions explain, we can get rid of this and this since we have a single parameter. If we had multiple parameters, we need quotes. And if we have not quotes, parentheses. If we have 0 parameters, we would need parentheses as well, just empty. Right? So we can get rid of that to make this more concise. Also, the brackets. We have a single line function here, so brackets goodbye. And not only that, we can take out return as well. So we want to return, we want the computer to create this function and check day against Wednesday, our parameter day against Wednesday, and if that is true, return true, or false if it's false. All right, let's see how we did. But victory. So that's the code that worked for me. Awesome, let's keep going.